How to see all the recent changes of Google Documents. For example, if you have made a mistake, something like this, and then you close the document, like this, and then you want to open it up again, and let's open the right document right here. This document, and you cannot press Ctrl Z anymore to undo. And how are you able to undo? How are you able to revert to the changes before? You just have to click this. As I did a few seconds ago, you can see all of the changes. You can see all of the changes right here, and you can click on restore this version. By doing this, you will restore the version of your document at 12:30 or whatever time you want. That's how you're able to restore your document.